Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 4 minus 1 times 4 minus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 4 minus 1, which equals 3. So we have 4 minus 1, then times 3. Now we have one multiplication and one subtraction. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 3 gives us just 3. So 4 minus 3, which equals 1. So our final answer to this problem is just 1.